Today we are going to discuss a small question from comparison. That is, actually this question is from comparison and ranking chapter. There are separate questions, comparison separate and ranking separate. This question comes under comparison part. Comparison means they give some data about some persons or some things or whatever it may be, which can be comparable on a common platform. All right. While comparing this one, most of the students unknowingly what they do without knowing the basics, they use greater than or less than signs. For example, A is taller than B. Generally, students do like this. A is taller than B means A is greater than B. Or A is shorter than C. They use like this. A is shorter than C. That means otherwise you take like this only. A is shorter than C, like that. So if you go by this method, mathematical way, definitely somewhere you will be struck, because nowadays they give questions based on very good logic, whatever the exam may be. I'll give you one method, students, here, comparison method. In my regular courses, we use that method only, which is like quite effective. 0% what do you call this one, mistakes you can do with that one, and moreover you can do the questions within the stipulated time. Okay, how the comparison should be there? For example, A is taller than B. Simply you do like this. A is taller than B, and this way. Taller means on the upper side. All right, taller, stronger, faster, whatever it may be. Suppose A is shorter than B. Now here B and this is A. Or A is as tall as B. In that case, A and B on a horizontal line. All of you got the idea? This is the base for us. All right, then go on comparing that one. So I have given just a small introduction because this is not a detailed class, but you can understand that one to the maximum extent. All right, now let's use this one. I repeat this one quickly. A is taller than B on the upper side. A is shorter than B down the side. A and B are of the same height, or whatever the comparison may be, must be on the invisible horizontal line. Here we are using invisible vertical line. All right, now come back to the question here, students. This question is a simple question but good question. This has been taken from the previous year competitive exams only. Let's do it very quick. Actually, the maximum time for this one, if you know the logic, is not more than 1 minute. Yes, I mean it. You can do it within 1 minute. Now let's go for this one. How they have given 7 athletes, P, Q, R, S, T, U and V, have different speeds. Now you see they are comparing on speeds, but not necessarily in the same order. All right, then they have given some information. They started with athlete Q and they have given some clues. Our job is to arrange them according to their speeds. So how I do? I just go for this one. Total 7 persons are there. Comparison you do like this. Take 7 dots like this, or 7 small lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As it is, positive information on the right side, negative on the left side. Most of the cases you have to come by the elimination process. Elimination means from negative to positive. All right, I give the basic method of solving the puzzles, how to take on the right side or the left side. I give the link of that basic video in the description box. You please go through that one. Now here our ideology, our idea is like this. Now this person, the topmost person, total 7 are there. Topmost person is the person who is having the highest speed, and this person is having the lowest speed in the order, that is in the descending order. The topmost person is having highest speed. The person who is having the highest speed, I'm going to keep him on the top. Slowly and gradually in the decreasing order, the last person is bottom person. Bottommost person is the least speed person. Remember that one. Okay, now go for the first clue here. How they have given first clue: athlete Q is slower than T but faster than V. Now you see, you cannot keep it directly on the chart. This is the fair chart. You have to do some rough work here. The comparison, how is that one? Q is slower than T. You do like this. Q is slower than T, and this way. Got it? They may be immediate or some person or persons may be between these two also, we don't know, but overall Q is slower than T, but same Q is faster than V, and this one of the clues here. All right, I cannot bring that one directly onto the chart because many places are possible there, and moreover, just now as I told you, between T and Q some person, one person or more than one person may come, there may be a possibility, keep it aside, but TQV should be in this way. Next clue, what is the next clue they have given? Athlete Q, this is over. U is faster than P but slower than S. U is faster than P but slower than S. Total two clues I got here. This is one and this is the other one. Check that one. U is faster than. Faster means above. Faster than P but slower than S. As simple as this one, right? But these two cannot be compared with each other, or these two cannot be taken onto the chart, fair chart, separately also. Wait for the clue. What's the next information they have given here? The number of athletes slower than U is the same as number of athletes faster than R. How to remember this one? Simply do like this. Number of athletes slower than U is same as number of athletes, I'll write here, faster than R. Both are same. These two numbers are same. Remember, just for your understanding, you write like this: number of athletes slower than you equal to number of athletes faster than R. Keep it in the mind. Now you see 1, 2, 3, total 3 clues are there, but I am not able to compare these 3 clues with each other, one another, or cannot take this one individually onto the chart. I'll go for the next information. What they have given are only 2 athletes are faster than S. One of the golden informations, this one. How that is, here only 2 athletes are faster than S. That means because of the word only 2 are faster than S. That means remaining are slower than S. So here 1 to S place is confirmed here. Only 2 are faster than S. Remaining are slower. How simple this one. Now you go for the connectivity. What's the connectivity here? With S, the connectivity is there for U and P. Below S, U and P can be there. But where to keep U and P? I don't know. Between U and P also 1 or 2 persons may come. So I can keep UP here, or UP here, or UP here, U here, P here, U here, P here. Many possibilities are there. Keep it aside. Then which clue shall I take? TQB. No way. Where shall I keep this one? I don't know where to go for this one as well. Now try to use this clue. What they have given here, number of persons below U equal to number of persons above R. But one thing is clear, that U should be below S. Now go by the elimination process. What's the elimination process? Out of these 1, 2, 3, 4 places, you cannot be above S. You should be below only. Out of these 4 places, where shall I keep U here? Now clearly I can say I cannot keep U here, because below U at least one person is there. Now I am writing that one on the left side, negative side. That means U's place is not this one certainly. I cannot keep U here. Now go for the next one. Shall I keep U here, here, or here? Try for this one. Suppose if I keep U here, this condition, whether it will be fulfilled or not. According to this one, below U how many are there? 1, 2, 3. If I keep U here, above R also 3% should be there. That means if I keep U here, above R 3% means again I have to keep R here only, because if U is here 1, 2, 3, R is here 1, 2, 3. So that means I cannot keep U here also. All of you following this one? How simply you can do. Next, where shall I keep U here? Here or here? Suppose if I keep U here, below U 2% are there. Then above R also 2% must be there. That means R should be placed here. But already this place is being occupied by S. That means even I cannot keep U here. This is the way. This is called elimination process. Now you see, very simply, U is not possible. U's place 1, 2, 3 are not possible. Only one place, that is U here. That's it. And connecting information, below U, P must be there. Alright, here immediately P has come after U, but there is no guarantee, there is no such hard and fast rule that immediately that should come. Incidentally it has come. Alright, next, this one also. Below U how many persons are there? only 1. Above R also 1 should be there. That means I must keep R here. Above R 1%. So this condition is fulfilled. This condition is fulfilled. What's the next one here? TQB. In this order, between T and Q, 1% or more persons may be there. I don't know that one. But where shall I keep this one? TQB. Only place for T is this one. Why that one? Because below that one, QV somewhere. This is Q. This is V. Now simply here T, R, S, Q, V, U and P. This is the arrangement. How simple? To explain this one, I might have taken 10 to 15 minutes. But to do this one in the examination or in the practice sessions, it won't take more than 1 minute, provided if you know the comparison method. That is the reason why I have given a small introduction for you. One is comparison, other one is elimination process. Negative on the left side, positive on the right side. Even if you get a small clue also, you have to go with that clue and unravel the puzzle. Hope this is clear for all of you, right? Then as I told you, I have given you the link also, basic link of positive and negative method elimination process in the description box. You please go for that one, and if this video is helpful for you, if you think that it is helpful for you, please watch the video 1 or 2 times until and unless you get the clarity on that one, and share it with all your circle so that even other students may also be benefited. Thank you very much, students.